45. Let me just pull it back a little bit before we start there. Oil was in balance here at 49 for the going back to about September. And then the next level before that is right here. I've been looking for 45.20 down to 44.50 for quite a while, and we're finally getting that move. It's finishing off. Don't forget, we bottomed in crude on election night also. And then after that move, the election night brought in a low right here, well, a week later on the 13th. And then from there, we took off. So that low was 42.76, and we're trading 45.98 right now. And we're, again, coming back into this key zone right in here. And this is looking back into July. So this is July through currently May 4th. And there's a significant balance here. We're just coming to the bottom of value here at crude on this time frame. But again, take away fundamentals and you can make arguments both sides that oil's going to 100, oil's going to 0. The point is, trade what is in front of you. And the market was telling us when this fell here out of balance for a 3-month period, this first sell-off was a great opportunity then to relook if you got a chance when it came back towards value. And folks, it did. It went right to 53, 50, or 60. This was a sell of, I feel, a lifetime. This was totally when the OPEC was out there talking, trying to talk up higher prices, trying to get it to a breakout. They were not going to be able to save this thing. They went full press, used all their bullets to run it from 47, 48 all the way back to 43. This is now over. It's done. You've spent all this time. This thing is not going to hit 66 anytime soon. That's what they were all hoping for, but it's done. Listen, we could go to electric cars tomorrow. Again, fundamentals don't matter. This thing is coming down to this level. You can see it. It's trading 45.94. It should trade to at least 45.40. The key node here is right here at 45.01. Look for at least a 45. And again, on the backside of this, 43.81 is possible. So once you start using this time frame, we are still in value. We're not even outside of value. I mean, we could trickle all the way down to 40, and it wouldn't surprise me whatsoever. So be careful out there. Don't forget, we were trading in August below $40. So we may have to go back and test that. We did never test that turn down there, and there's still some work to do on the profile on the cleanup back to 40 ultimately. So keep this in mind. This is, again, long-term, wider trading. But this move up to 53 was totally responsive and reactive upon the interventionists from the Middle East, OPEC specifically, talking about how price has to go higher, there's not enough oil in the world, blah, blah, blah. It's like listening to realtors talk about prices. There's never a bad time to buy. Folks, this is where market profile will keep you out of trouble and keep you in the now. 45.80, this has gone down 15 cents as we traded right to this hole. Might pause here. Might pause at 45.80, but any pause before coming down to 45 is just a pause. The big move has happened. If you've missed the big move, now is not the time to pile in on the short. It was at 53.